everyone, this is Jill with stampwithjill.com and welcome to my IGTV channel. Today we are going to make this really cute Halloween ghost card. It is the cleanest, simplest card you will make. All you need are a few supplies. So we are using the Fun Stamper's Journey Party Ghosts stamp set, and we are only using the words from the stamp set, and we are using the ghosts come with coordinating dies, and we are using this die, just the simple ghost. So let's get started. I have a 4 1/4 by 11 scored at 5 1/2, and we are just going to go ahead and fold that in half. I'm telling you, this card takes minutes to make. It's so easy. We're going to crease that and set it aside. I'm going to bring in my die cutting machine so you can see how I cut the, hopefully it's not too close. So I have this platform. It's well, it's also upside down, so the platform is there, and I just opened brand new cutting plates, so you're going to be able to see that I put my orange cutting plate there. You can also see a really awful reflection of my light on my ceiling, so we're going to put the paper right over top of that. So this is magnetic on one side, and it will actually hold the die in place, especially since my plates are brand new. Once the plates warp a little bit though, you kind of have to use some washi tape to hold it in place. So I'm just going to position my die. I'm going to put the second cutting plate on top and run it through. Hopefully you can see it go through. And then, oh, I'm surprised it didn't make a crackle. Probably should have lifted my camera a little bit. But so now I'm going to move that out of the way and bring the cut piece back in so you can see it makes a little window. And then I have the Trick or Treat here mounted on my block with some black licorice ink, and we are going to go ahead and stamp that. Hopefully you can still see it, and we're going to stamp that right underneath. So Trick or Treat. We can save this ghost for something else, or you can throw it away. We are done with that, and then the rest of it is so darn easy you won't even believe it. So I have to figure out where I put my card base. Oh, here it is. So now we have our card base. You need some foam squares to pop up the whole panel. So we're going to put those on there. Right? Okay. Peel those off the backing. And then we are going to center that on the card, just like this. And we are almost done. And this top panel is 3 3/4 by 5. So it's a little bit smaller, and then you're going to, then I have some wiggly eyes here, and I'm going to use my piercing tool to pick those up and place those in just the right spot. And then you're going to place that right there, and we're going to take another small one and place that right there, and you have the cutest little wiggly eye Halloween card. And then on the inside you can go ahead and stamp Boo or Happy Halloween. In fact, I think we will stamp Boo. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the Boo in. It's super tiny. Put it on my block. I'm going to open my card, and then I'm going to stamp the Boo right inside. Isn't that so cute? Thanks for joining me today.